Are you looking for the best ATV batteries? In this video, we will break down the top 5 ATV batteries on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
VideoWiki is a product review database in video format. Here we're a group of product research where we test, analyze, and research trending products. Our goal is to create a list of top picks with buying guides for every category based on the product's features, quality, price, and user feedback. If you choose from our list, you can be sure you'll be buying one of the best products available today. Make sure to check the products link down below in the description. And please like the video and subscribe to our channel to get more product reviews regularly.
At number 1. ThrottleX AM Replacement Power Sport Battery. This maintenance-free battery features AM non-spillable seal technology. Its advanced lead calcium technology fosters increased starting power and resists sulfation. It exceeds the specifications of original batteries and features 220 cca and 12 Ah. It weighs 11 pounds, comes with nuts and bolts, and is fully charged and ready to install. The company also includes a 12-month free replacement warranty. This battery provides plenty of power when starting your ATV. The engine starts immediately even in cold weather. It has great cranking power, fits well, and is easy to install. You also don't have to put it on the trickle charger as often as some competing batteries to maintain battery life. At number 2. Chrome Battery YTX14BS. If there was something that would sell plenty no matter what thing it was, it would be the duo of affordability and a lot of advanced features. This Powersports Chrome battery is one of the very few ATV batteries in the market that has managed to tie this knot. This maintenance-free AM battery is spill-proof and only awaits a secure connection before you start riding. The battery dimension is 5.71 into 5.80 into 3.26 inches, with a weight of over 9 pounds, a little heavier than the previous option. This battery comes with 200 cca 12-volt capacity to let you use it in any weather. Usability with motorcycles, snowmobiles, and ATVs, 3-in-1 to serve a variety of applications. Corrosion-preventive patented sealed plates that help your battery last longer and help you run on rough terrains without sacrificing your battery life. Comes fully charged from the factory and does not require you to charge it before installation. At number 3. Yuasa YTX20LBS Battery. The Yuasa YUAM320BS is one of the toughest batteries we tested, with a whopping 18 Ah battery capacity to keep you going, and a 270 cca rating, ensuring that you'll be able to start your ATV in even the coldest of weather conditions. The Yuasa YUAM320BS YTX20LBS is a battery with a confusingly long name, but it makes up for it with its substantial battery capacity. Coming in at 18 Ah, this battery is an excellent pick for larger ATVs and motorcycles. Also, the 270 cca rating helps to ensure that your vehicle won't get stuck in a snowstorm. You'll be able to start it in the coldest of weather conditions. At number 4. Mighty Max Battery YTX14 Ah. This battery works really well in cold conditions, thanks to 210 cold cranking amps that get it up and running, even when it's below freezing. As such, this is a great option if you regularly go out in the snow. But it still offers incredible performance in warmer climates as well, so it's a good all-rounder. Again, you get the benefit of buying an ATV battery that comes fully charged and ready to use. This saves you from having to charge it up yourself, meaning you can use it right away. Speaking of which, you will be able to use this regularly for around 2 years before it needs to be replaced. At the price point, this works out to be very affordable. You also have the benefit of being able to mount this in pretty much any position you desire, which is so helpful for many reasons. It's shock and vibration proof too, so you don't need to worry about causing damage to your battery when you're bumping and roaming around on your ATV. There's the absorbed glass mat design to offer low maintenance here as well, and one of the top features is that you get a 30-day refund policy, along with a 1-year warranty. So, if it doesn't meet your expectations, you can return it within a month. If there's one negative point, it's that the battery can be slightly heavier than most. At number 5. Upstart Battery Up YTX12BS. This is another budget-friendly battery in our review. Still, it packs a host of high-end features. For instance, this is a maintenance-free battery. Yes, you will never need to add distilled water to it. On top of that, it is also totally sealed from all directions. And the sturdy build quality makes it suitable for mounting it in multiple ways. It uses a traditional nut and bolt installation system. One of the most important features of this battery is that it comes fully charged from the factory. Simply install it and start to use it. It has a capacity of 10 Ah. And the CCA, cold cranking amps, rating is 180. This one can be a good replacement battery for your vehicle for the price.
Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment and share with your friends. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your field.